everybody, welcome to my channel, Tracie Reed Designs. Today's video is the first in my Cloud Effect color series. I will be starting off with pink clouds. It's my favorite. If you guys are kind of over the white clouds and want to jazz them up a bit, today's video is for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Okay everybody, so the painting is all dry and I am super happy with my results. I just added a little bit of red paint to my bare satin enamel that I use for my cloud mix. I think this is super fun and easy, and this one reminds me of cotton candy actually. So let me know what you guys think of this in the comments, and if you guys are interested in jazzing up your cloud pours, stay tuned. I will be doing more colors in this series. And if you guys have done any colored clouds, I would love to see the photos. Go over to my Facebook group, Acrylic Pouring with Friends. You can post your photos and your videos there. All right, thank you so much and have a great day.